Today we talk about how can you enable notifications on your Goodnovel app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So when you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this is it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just click here on settings, click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on push managements. Just click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to notifications, click here in this sign. Like you see this color here show for us, that's main notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.